Alright guys, we are here at the Airstream Adventure Extravaganza with this beautiful Airstream rig, and we have had it up so we could get underneath to inspect the EMF profile coming off of all of the really complex systems in a van like this, the batteries, the generator, all of those things. And we did that so that we could figure out how to reduce the EMF inside the cab, which is quite high due to the way these are wired. And unfortunately, engineering still hasn't caught up with the awareness around EMF and its impacts on health. So this is kind of step one in the investigation process. Check back later for more.